Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can upload your files in Collect. Maybe you want to upload an important files in Collect but you don't know how. So today I am going to show you how to upload a files in Collect. Check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you'll need to do is to open your Collect application. Once you open your Collect application, you will just simply need to tap on this plus icon. Once you tap on it, you will see here the Add item. Since you are adding a file, tap on this Files to add a files item. And here, you will see at the upper part of your phone, you'll see this image, audios, videos, and documents. So to upload the documents, just simply tap on this Documents button. And as you can see in here, here are the documents that are available in your phone. For example, I'll just simply tap on this one. And then in here, simply tap on this Sort Later. And as you can see, the file is already uploaded. There you go. If you wanted to know how to upload a file in Collect, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to upload files in Collect, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.